A quick video to show how you can use the recipe feature on your Pyro oven. So the recipes are accessed by hitting this button. So here you have the list of recipes that are already programmed in your system. When you select a recipe, you see the different parameters, and you can hit this button to transfer the recipe parameters into the oven controller and so to apply these parameters. So if you want to edit or add a recipe, we will hit the edit button. We need to log into the process access level, which password is provided in your user's manual. So edit. So here I can create a new recipe, save as, delete. Here is the same button to load the recipe into the controller, and here is a button to pull the actual parameters or the parameters that we are currently running into the new recipe. So if I go to the operation page, I can see that I'm running at 407, 4 minutes. So edit. So you can see it pulled the parameters that we are currently running into this recipe. So I will name it with the name I want to give it. The title I can give, I enter whatever has a meaning to our operator, and then I will save. You can see data record save. So once I have made the changes I wanted to make, you can see here I'm still logged into the system as a process. So I will go and log out. So now the operator can select a recipe, load it. So you can see here we're currently running Pyro test 407, 407 for 4 minutes. Or if I change, I go with test 4, run it, and now 407, 407 with test 4 is the current recipe. And this one 485, 6 minutes. 485, 6 minutes. Current recipe loaded is Pyro test. Thank you.